Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you steps on how you can register or enroll into a mobile bank account of CIBC. To do so, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So to set up for CIBC mobile banking account, either you'll need to update the application or install the application. So to install the application, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in CIBC Bank, and in case if you haven't installed the application, then click on the install button, and if you've already installed the application and you'll need to update the application, then click on the update button. Since I've already installed the application, then all I need to do is open it up just by tapping on the open button. As you click on the open button, you'll be taken to this kind of interface, or the sign up or login interface. So right at the bottom, you'll be provided with two different alternatives, that is already a CIBC client, which means that you'll need to sign in into your account, and not a client yet, which means that you need to sign up. So click on not a client, which is right at the bottom, and now you'll begin with the enrollment process. So click on open an account. Next page, you'll be provided with three different alternatives, that is featured, checking and saving. So select the type of account that you want to create. Since I want to go with the savings, next interface you'll be provided with the information regarding the savings account. So go through all of these information, and now there are two different options such as CIBC Advanced Saving Account or US dollar personal. So select either one of these following and click on apply now button, which is right at the bottom. Now to begin with, scroll down a bit and click on let's go, which is right at the bottom. Once again, there is a confirmation. On this page, you need to confirm whether you already have a pre-existing bank account or not. If not, click on no continue application. If yes, click on sign on now. And then you'll begin with the enrollment process. So on this page, you need to provide in your personal information. That includes entering your first name and the last name associated with your government's ID. After that, you'll need to enter in your date of birth and then the contact information, either your email address, telephone number, and then you'll need to provide in your residential address or your current location. You can also enter in your social insurance number if you have any. If not, simply leave it blank. And then you'll need to enter in the tax information. You can go through the following statements and scroll down a bit and provide in your occupational information. Once you're done entering your occupational information, you need to provide the statement option. Go through the statement and then read it carefully. Only then mark on this terms and condition. And right at the bottom, once again, there will be an agreement, and if you're sure about it, click on the submit button. Next page, you'll need to provide in some additional information. Last interface, you'll be asked to confirm all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, click on the submit button. And after that, you've successfully set up your CIBC mobile banking account. In this way, you can set up or enroll yourself into a mobile banking account of CIBC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.